Everyone dreams of financial independence, the ability to live life on their own terms, free from the constraints of financial burden. But how does one attain this elusive wealth and affluence? How can you live the life you've always dreamed of? Travel to exotic destinations and never have to worry about money again? How can you live a life where you are in control of your financial destiny? Financial independence is within reach for anyone willing to embark on the journey, regardless of their current financial situation. But that dream won't materialize by chance. It takes time and effort. It also requires us to use one of the greatest gifts we possess as humans, the power of choice. This means that at any point you choose to, you can change your life. You can decide to start exercising, eating cleaner, learning a new skill, and so forth. You have the power to choose to change your life. According to the late, great personal development philosopher Jim Rohn, there are 5 things you must do to transform your life. Step 1. Get serious. There's no fooling around. You really need to get serious, but that doesn't mean turning into a grumpy frown monster. The path to success starts by taking a hard look at your life. Here's the key. Seriousness unlocks your future. First, get serious about setting goals. Imagine yourself 5 to 10 years down the road. What kind of life do you want to live? What kind of work would you like to do? How much do you want to earn? Don't be afraid to dream big. Write down your financial goals. Are you looking to pay off debt? Save for a down payment on a house? Retire early? Knowing your goals will help you create a roadmap. Second, get serious about personal development. Imagine yourself in 10 years. What kind of person will you be? Invest in yourself now to develop the qualities that will help you achieve your dreams. Don't settle for mere existence. Get serious. Take charge and become the person you've always envisioned. It takes effort, but it is possible. Step 2. Get smart. You can't achieve greatness without a strong foundation of knowledge. Think of it like this. Learning equals stronger skills. Stronger skills equals better problem solving. Better problem solving equals more value. More value equals unlocking the life you envisioned in step 1. So, how do you get smart? Dive into resources on budgeting, debt management, saving, and investing. Talk to people who inspire you and learn from them. Keep a journal to track your progress. Celebrate every milestone and remember, learning is a lifelong journey, not a destination. Embrace the adventure and watch yourself transform into the powerful, intelligent person you are meant to be. Step 3. Get going. This is where the magic happens. You take action. Knowledge is only power when it's put to work. Think of it like this. All that amazing information you've gathered is fuel for your journey. Now, it's time to ignite the engine and get moving. Some strategies you could put into action are as follows. First, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts and schedule bill payments to avoid late fees. Second, increase your income. Explore ways to increase your income through career advancement, a side hustle, or learning a new skill that can be monetized. Third, reduce expenses. Look for opportunities to cut back on unnecessary spending without sacrificing your lifestyle. Design your days, weeks, and months with intention. Every action should be a calculated step towards your goals. Don't let this knowledge just go to waste. Put it into action and watch your aspirations transform into reality. This is where the rubber meets the road. So get going. Step 4. Get excited. True success comes from a place of genuine enthusiasm. We're not talking about blind optimism. This is about cultivating a deep, genuine thrill for the potential that lies within you. Think about it. You hold the power to significantly transform your life. That's something to get fired up about. Cultivate a passion for personal growth and positive change. Recognize the incredible potential within you and the journey of improvement that lies ahead. Getting excited will fuel your motivation to take those necessary steps, be it exercising more, learning a new skill, or simply making healthier choices. Embrace the power you have to create a fulfilling life. Get excited. Step 5. Get away. Even the most powerful engines need a break to avoid overheating. Getting away is not about abandoning ship, but about creating a healthy balance. Imagine someone who masters the art of making money but forgets how to live. They have the resources, but no idea how to use them for good. We've all heard stories of people who chased riches at the expense of living well, and they ended up with money they couldn't spend and time they couldn't reclaim. Don't be that person. Getting away is about stepping back from the daily grind to recharge and reconnect with what truly matters. Spend time with loved ones, family, friends, and the people who bring you genuine happiness. Cultivate those meaningful relationships that nourish your soul. Take a break to reflect, explore, or simply relax. Disconnecting from the constant hustle allows you to return with fresh eyes and a renewed sense of purpose. So get away, recharge, and come back ready to conquer your next challenge with even greater enthusiasm. Remember, success isn't just about earning, it's about living well. Financial independence is a desirable goal, and achieving it can be broken down into the 5 key actions we've discussed. Get serious, get smart, get going, get excited, and get away. What better time to take control of your life than now?